In some areas, such as the Fertile Crescent east of the Mediterranean, as climates changed, resources became more abundant. There were more plants and more animals. And in these regions, these particularly favoured regions, some foragers began to settle down because they found they could live in one place for most of the year without travelling around. And they began to form villages. They became sedentary. But as they settled down, their behaviours changed. And in particular, populations began to grow. We're not sure why, but one reason may be that if you're a villager, you don't have to carry children around, so there's less pressure to reduce the number of children. In any case, populations grew, and that posed a problem. Within a few generations, they found they didn't have enough resources to feed everyone in what had once seemed an area of abundance. So what are they to do? Well, perhaps they could go back to foraging. The problem was they'd probably forgotten many of the old techniques of foraging, and besides, neighbours probably occupied those lands now. So what can they do? Well, they can start tending their crops and animals more carefully. They can start providing the plants they like with extra water. They can start clearing away weeds. They can start penning particular animals in enclosures. In fact, they can start farming. But something like this happened in many areas, and everywhere the same two factors seem to have been involved. First, global climate change, which made agriculture possible, and secondly, overpopulation, which made it necessary.